Got the torque converter out of my Subaru over here, and thanks to a video from MGM Auto, following their video, which goes along with the factory service manual procedure, although the manual barely clarifies exactly what you're doing, so unless you know the names of all the parts and you've seen someone do it, it's going to be a little bit more tricky if you only have a manual than a helpful video. So the MGM Auto video, very helpful, showed me exactly what needs to happen. Only problem I'm having is my clip is being a lot more stubborn than theirs was. So let me see if I can do this one-handed. Couldn't do it one-handed, but anyways, put the phone down, got the clip on there. So you get your Circlip, or not a Circlip. A Circlip would be easier because it would have little holes you could use. But anyways, a clip, and stick it in there. And then those two guys, the little prongs, are supposed to slide down into there, and that's where they hook or stay. On the back there, you don't have the little extra holes, notches cut out on the bottom, so make sure you're, first of all, trying to put your clip in on the right side with those two little hole things. But in their video, they just kind of got it all lined up, which I'm about to do, hopefully one-handed for you right now. Oh, okay. It's gonna be tricky. Tricky. Okay, clips in. So in their video, they were just able to push down right here, and then everything went click, and it was all good. But mine does not want to go down, and I cannot figure out why. So I'm gonna fiddle with it, and then when I figure it out, I'll let y'all know. But just wanted to make this video, so if you're also having trouble, you know you're not the only one in the world. Okay, there it went. So I just want to say that it never went that easy on any of my other 5 attempts. So yeah, and as you can tell, it sounds a little grindy, you know, doesn't sound amazing, but anyways, went in there. So I don't know, there's no trick to it. Just take it out a bunch, put it back in till it wants to go, because this one would not go, and then now it did. To share the factory service manual real quick, just to show that it does not mention any special techniques. Doesn't say to add ATF's automatic transmission fluid, oil to the clip to lubricate it or anything like that, because I thought maybe that would be something that I missed that would make it a little easier to slip in there, but it doesn't. Just says install the oil pump shaft to the torque converter assembly and make sure the clip is secured on the groove. Apply ATF to the O-ring, which is the next step, completely unrelated to this. The O-ring is that little, yeah, the O-ring is on the end of the shaft right there, which is over by the car, so I'm not going to show that right now, but anyways. Hopefully you find this video helpful. Yeah, and mine's that floppy, so if yours is as well, don't worry. That's the O-ring it's talking about, so it has nothing to do with the oil pump shaft, but I'll put the link to the MGM video down in the description, because that's the shortest, most straightforward video that showed exactly how to do this procedure. This is the 2006 Subaru Outback 2.5 liter non-turbo.